What is going on, everybody? My name is Spooky Monster here with a brand new video. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to play PSP games on your PC. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing you want to do is head over to this website called ppsspp.org. Once you're here, go to downloads. I'll have the link in the description below, so make sure to check it out. So you want to head over to Windows and download the PSP installer. So once you have that, you want to open it up. So I'm just going to put mine on my desktop so you guys can see it easier. So double tap on that, put OK. It's pretty easy to install this, but install. Once you have this, just hit launch. And now you want to upload your PSP games. So I can't really tell you guys what to get the PSP games, so you have to look that up. Remember, you have to own the PSP game because it's illegal to download games that you don't own. So make sure you own that game before you download it. So once you have your folder with your ROMs, like you see, I have my PSP games here on my desktop. So you want to look for your folder. So you want to go browser. So as you see, mine is on the desktop. So open up that folder where you have your ROMs. So it's going to pop out right here, and your game's going to be right here, all your games. So just double tap of the game you want to play, and it should work. As you can see, it's working now. If you like this video, give it a like. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe for more videos. If you have any concerns or questions, comment down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.